integrity-related reports or investigations?
No, I haven't.
Do you hold any leadership position in any political party in Kenya?
As it is, no.
As it was?
Yeah, but I resigned.
Okay. Tell us your net worth.
It's 100 million.
100 million, which you said is family wealth.
For all of us.
It's for all of us, including me?
Yes, if you are.
Okay. Okay, nominee. Your papers have been checked against what we have. They have been found in order. And the few memoranda that were there against you, actually, in fact, only one, and you responded, so we release you to go back to your duties.
Mr. Speaker, there is the bit of the well that I need to clarify a bit on livestock.
It is not an issue. We are okay.
Okay. So, Mr. Speaker, I would want to appreciate your guidance in moderating and protecting me. I would also want to appreciate the mutual conversation we've had with the committee. And if Almighty God that began with me will give you favor to see me through in this, I'm telling you, committee, you will be writing history in this Kenya. You will be appointing the first Turkana woman since independence. So please be part of the history.
As we look forward to the possibility of writing that history,